we have Rashmi Raghunath. Can we have a huge round of applause for Rashmi Raghunath?
So I'm not a bad Rashmi. There was a, do you guys hear the poetry that he was saying? There was a girl called Rashmi who doesn't support her father. Very supportive. Okay, cool. I thought you guys were gonna laugh, but alright. So I'm Rashmi. I am from Bangalore and I work at LinkedIn as a sales consultant. And writing, so I published my book, by the way, it's called One Galaxy Old. I published it in Jan, so it's been like a couple of months. Well, so everyone's been like talking about love and all of that, so I'm assuming that a lot of you are heartbroken people. Is my assumption right? Are there many people who have had heartbreaks? Guys, you've got to be like responsive because it's really nervous to sit here, okay? Just, yeah. So tell me, yeah. So, alright, so let me just get into it. So 2016 is when I saw this really beautiful guy, okay? Like he's super tall and like really handsome and everything. So I met with him and then we exchanged texts and everything. But I built this entire world in my head, okay? I know that guys say that girls are a little delusional, but that day I understood that I'm very delusional, okay? Because I started like assuming a lot of things. I started building this whole world in my head. And because of that, I actually started writing a lot. I started channelizing in terms of poetry. It's not that he was not interested, he was very interested, it's just that he was going to the US to study. Okay, so that was a problem. So a lot of the poems in this book is about this imagination that I had, okay? This world that I had built and everything that happened in this world. So about the book, it explores the concept of poetography. So if you guys are interested, you can look it up. You can also purchase the book on Amazon or Flipkart. So about poetography, the photographs are it's a depiction of the poems that have been written. So when you read the poem, understand the poem and then try to find the poetry in the photograph because these photographs are captured, composed and edited in a way that gives a lot more meaning to the poem. Alright, so I will be showing few pictures. I mean, whoever can see, but like I'll be here for a while so you can come over and check out the book and all of that. Okay, so I've spoken a lot, more than I thought I would. So I'm gonna get into the poetry. And then I'm gonna show you the picture as well. We laid under the sun, under the tree you love. The leaves make compositions so complex on your face. The leaves make compositions so complex on your face. Our audience sing in whispers while the trees sway us into love. The smile you use as bait has me in between your arms. The smile you use as bait has me in between your arms, like every lover before, every lover after. The sweet scent of destruction strikes a heavy breath in me. The sweet scent of destruction strikes a heavy breath in me. You say I'm special, and I believe you, like every lover before, every lover after. This poem is coupled with a photograph where there is my friend who's stripped naked, I mean like halfway. So I asked him to remove his shirt and look at a tree, alright? And he has a flower on his shoulder and his head is slightly tilted towards the flower. So the great thing about this is that my perception about what happened here in the poem is something based on my experience. So when you look at it, we're going to have 300 different perceptions about the same poem, and that's the best thing about art that we all share here today. So yeah, if you are interested, you can check it out. So I'm going to read one more. Okay. The agony and pain wrapping me around its arms so frail. The agony and pain wrapping me around its arms so frail. I feel like I've lived a century waiting for you. While the world mocks me and calls me a fool, I feel I've lived a century waiting for an eclipse, the kind only a lover would feel. While the world mocks me and calls me a fool, I feel I've lived a century waiting for an eclipse, the kind only a lover would feel. Waking up to the light in your eyes and quickly falling into the darkness between your ribs. Waking up to the light in your eyes and quickly falling into the darkness between your ribs is a dream that will remain obscure to the world. So, this poem is coupled with a leaf. There are 2 leaves in this picture. One of them is, so I'm from Banashankari side, so are any of you from Banashankari? No? Okay, great. Half of you are from Christ. I did engineering, so I'm just like, oh my god, now my crowd. But anyway, so Banashankari side, you have a lot of parks. Okay, so I wanted to find a park where I could find a leaf which looks like it's become a part of the ground, a part of the earth, part of, like you can't find the difference, but it still has its own little, effect. Like, you know that it's a leaf. So that's the kind of leaf that I was looking for, and I looked for it for a while because it was summer and you can't really find something like that which is swamped on the ground. So somehow I was able to find this leaf, and I wanted to keep another leaf on top of it to actually picturize what it feels like to wait for someone for a century, right? So that was the idea behind it. So yeah. Okay, there's one more. We knew how to keep our pieces intact, driving each other completely insane. We knew how to keep our pieces intact, driving each other completely insane. You and I are not broken. The scent of lust in treason with every inch of love. The scent of lust in treason with every inch of love to make us the believers we became. The ground broke in branches and the sky tore into dust. How do we make love in the field of dead roses? But we go on. I'm gonna do my last piece and then I'll be done talking. Alright. So, do I have everybody's attention? Because I'm doing my last piece. Yes. Sure. Cool. So, when the days won't let you live, when the nights won't let you dream, when the days won't let you live, when the nights won't let you dream, a million battles fought, scarred and defeated, you ask, was it a crime to love? Thank you.
Can we have a huge round of applause for Rashmi? You should all please check out her book as well. She'll be around here.